How does a ramp change the force required to move an object uphill? This is Investigation 12C, Ramps and Inclined Planes. Lifting objects vertically using a pulley or block and tackle is not always an option. For example, the ancient Egyptians built their Great Pyramids without pulleys. Instead, they may have used an inclined plane to lift the massive stone blocks more easily into place on the megalithic structures. In this investigation, you will model the use of an inclined plane to measure the force required to move the smart cart up a ramp to a height of 30 centimeters. Open 12C inclined planes in SparkView and connect the smart cart to the device. Set up the equipment as I've done here with a cart track set to a measured height and angle using the angle reader. Attach a string to the hook attachment of the force sensor in the smart cart. Zero the force sensor in SparkView, then measure the force required to pull the smart cart up the ramp. Compare the force necessary to lift the cart to the target height using the ramp with the force necessary to lift the cart to the target height without the ramp. Students can and should adjust the height of the ramp and repeat their measurements at different heights and angles. By the end of the activity, students should have enough data to calculate the mechanical advantage of the inclined plane.